What's up, Pyros? Today we're taking a look at Fire Factory. Again, I believe this is made by Great Grizzlies, same brand. So this is Rage Missiles, 92 shots. Looks like we got 16 big, 16 big, and then that would mean the remainder here in the small. Did add an actual pink slow fuse, that way we have red flare. That way I can get far enough back away. Take a look at performance. It's a unique twist on an old favorite. With several large missiles mixed with standard missiles, this item delivers a great Saturn performance by manipulating the firing sequence and sending a range of whistling Saturn tails to fist-pounding reports. Enjoy. Okay. 92 shots. Probably be less than a 200 gram, but definitely excited for it. I think we'll just go ahead and jump straight in the demo. So we have Fire Factory 92 shot Saturn missile battery called Rage Missiles. I hope you Pyros enjoy.